guys, I'm on beautiful lake up north of Minnesota, and today we will catch some beautiful crayfish. Just look at them, so cool. There's some big ones, giants. I will show you guys how this process works, and we will cook them and show this also too. So stay tuned and watch this cool episode about crayfishing. Thank you. So excited. There is a beautiful day, beautiful weather. I am on a really good lake and I will catch today some crayfish. So I want to show what kind of tool I use. I use this crayfish net. So it's really good. I got a couple different, I will show you one example and another example. So this one is pretty easy. You just open like this and you put your bait. For bait I use canned fish like tuna, mackerel, salmon. Basically anything will work, anything will attract them. So I make a couple holes. I make like this, couple holes. Oh boy, it's so durable. Even one hole will be enough for them to smell this flavor. And so this is what I do. When I open this can, I try work on top of the water. So I put my bait here, close. I drop, there is some crayfish over there. Nice. So yeah, make sure it's right way and drop like this. It's have to float, like sink down to the bottom like flat. So when it sink all the way to the bottom, I just put this noodle, pool noodle, which is attached to my rope, and I write down my DNR number. And everybody who do crayfishing, they have to like identify their crayfish trap. So it's a good way to just write down a number, a DNR number on your pool noodle, and just leave this for, I would say, less like 4 hours, 5 hours, and let's see what we will catch after 4 or 5 hours. I will show you a little bit later another way what I use, like another trap. Okay, so there is another way of trap. It's umbrella trap, and it's a similar way what I showed previously. It's just a little bit worse design, and when you have a lot of crayfish, it will collapse and this metal rods here will bend. So I would say those previous what I showed before, they much better. I like them more, but this one will still work and you can find them on eBay or Amazon. So, and this process will be similar. You just make some holes in a can, like let's see, I got some salmon, so I put tuna, mackerel and salmon. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. All right. So make sure this one is synced right way. You gotta just see what I'm doing right now. It's gotta perfectly land on the bottom. If it's lands some kind of sideway, there's chance that you don't catch anything, or maybe just a small amount. So when it's laid down like totally flat, it's perfect. All right, so this one's set, good to go. Hi guys, I just come back and I want to check my crayfish traps. I leave them for about like 7 hours. It's the second day fishing and I want to check it out, what will going on over there. Wish me luck, I hope I will catch some nice crayfish. Thank you. Crayfish traps. Let's see what we have. There's one here, one over there. I will take them out and show what is inside. So there is a catch from first crayfish, umbrella one. Little crayfish going in a bucket, going in a cooler. Nice. There is one more over there. Okay, I will pick my crayfish traps and show how many crayfish I will have. Nice, good catch. Look at that. Look at this, guys, there is so nice catch. I surprised. Tuna was worked really good. Look, there's so many of them inside. I put double cans, 2 cans in a trap and I got double crayfish. It's just amazing. Look, раз на колесе стоит. How many crayfish I have? I would say it's about one almost full 5-gallon bucket, maybe a little bit less. So what do you need for boil them? So you need a pot, burner, LP tank. This is how I boil them outside. You can add like spice, whatever you like. There is a bunch of different spices you can find in Fresh Time, Cup Food, other stores. You can also do like Louisiana recipes and add like corn, sausages, whatever you like. So I just wait a little bit when water start be ready and boil, and just add them with a scoop to a pot, and they will boil probably about like 5-10 minutes and we take them out. Alright, I show you other process later. Stay tuned. So I would say 10 minutes later my crayfish is done and they turn to red color. This is how you know what they done. I just take a smaller pot and load them. It was fun time to catch them. I was very excited and have a lot of fun.